So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. And then on the 4th time you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once we're here, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. And then click on Restart. You want to enable safe mode, so you want to click on either 4 or F4 on your keyboard. Click on 4 or F4, which will now take us into safe mode. And now once we're in safe mode, for the next step, you want to go to search and type in Startup Apps. Click on it. You want to turn off every application here. Make sure that everything here is turned off. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And now once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. It's now going to start running the scan. We can run this scan in the background as you do the next steps in the video, so just minimize this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in system configuration. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on services and then tick the box hide all Microsoft services. And then click on disable all, and then click on OK. And then click on exit without restart. Next, we're going to go back to command prompt. SFC should be done by now. Now we're going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you complete the scan, restart your computer. Just wait for this to load. It should now let you sign back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.